In this segment of this video, I'm going to talk about Teams apps. What are the internal apps and what are the external apps you can add in Microsoft Teams to increase your productivity? So let me share my screen. And here you can see we have three dots. Click on it and you can see all these apps are available to add in Microsoft Teams. The very popular one is Shift, and then one more is planner, and then updates. So in every team, you want daily updates, and that is what you can add from here. So you can see I have updates. So you can create daily updates for your team members, the template, and they have to submit that update daily in Microsoft Teams. And that's the best feature. Similarly, you can add approvals. So you can see approval are here, and you can create approval rules that which like signing a document or something like that you can create from here. I will create separate videos for updates and approval, so you will have clear idea about these apps. Then we have Shift. So these are the quite popular uh, apps which you can add within the Microsoft team for approval, for creating shifts and creating your task and submit daily update. Apart from that, you can see apps here. Using this, you will find the third party app as well, based on the organization, based on the categories, and based on the features, and also workflows, like which kind of workflow you want. So that is what you can add in Microsoft Teams. The best part is you can also create your custom applications for Microsoft Teams and use within your organization. So that's the beautiful thing about Microsoft Team, that if custom feature is not available, but you want that feature for your organization, for your team, you can create and add here, and you will use that feature within your organization.